In today's fast-paced world, more people are seeking a simpler, slower, and more meaningful way of living. Beautiful farmhouse tiny homes, a village built for early retirement, highlights a growing movement toward downsized comfort without sacrificing beauty or quality. This narration will take you inside a dreamy tiny home village designed for those who want elegance, calm, and long-term sustainability as they enter early retirement. Imagine a community designed to reduce stress, lower living expenses, and encourage a closer connection to nature. This tiny home village embraces the farmhouse aesthetic: white cladding, exposed beams, rustic textures, and warm natural finishes, while integrating modern conveniences. Every home is crafted to give retired individuals a perfect balance between independence and community living, creating a lifestyle that feels both peaceful and purposeful. The architectural concept draws deeply from classic American farmhouse style, but transforms it into a compact, efficient footprint. Wide front porches invite morning coffee rituals, while gabled roofs and black trim windows add sophistication. Each tiny home feels like a warm, inviting haven, blending rustic charm with a refined modern sensibility, making downsized living feel effortlessly elegant. Though small in size, every home is intelligently designed to make the most of every corner. Open-concept living areas ensure good airflow and natural lighting. Multifunctional furniture, built-in shelving, and compact kitchen layouts help deliver a spacious feel. The result is a tiny home that doesn't feel tiny at all, perfect for retirees wanting simplicity without losing comfort. This tiny home village is built with sustainability in mind, aligning with the lifestyle many retirees are now pursuing. Eco-friendly insulation, energy-saving windows, solar power options, and water-efficient systems reduce monthly expenses and environmental impact. The use of reclaimed wood and natural materials adds authenticity while supporting a greener way of living. Inside each home, the farmhouse atmosphere continues with soothing, neutral palettes, warm wooden accents, and soft textiles. The interior design encourages tranquility, perfect for retirees seeking a peaceful transition into a slower lifestyle. Every detail, from the shiplap walls to the cozy reading nooks, is intentionally curated to bring comfort and serenity. key element of this tiny home village is the intentional outdoor design. Shared gardens, walking paths, community fire pits, and open green spaces bring neighbors together naturally. These areas encourage social connection and an active lifestyle, supporting both physical and emotional well-being. It's a place where community feels organic, not forced. Financial freedom is one of the biggest motivations for choosing this lifestyle. The tiny homes reduce housing costs dramatically while providing long-term savings in utilities and maintenance. Many residents find they can retire earlier, travel more often, or pursue hobbies they had postponed for years. The architecture of this village supports the truly affordable yet beautiful retirement. Living in this village isn't just about the house, it's about the life it enables. Residents enjoy the freedom to live simply, focus on health, spend more time outdoors, and build meaningful friendships. The thoughtful architectural design complements this lifestyle, proving that the right environment can completely transform the retirement experience. In the end, beautiful farmhouse tiny homes, a village built for early retirement, is more than an architectural project. It represents a new way forward. By blending beautiful farmhouse design, tiny home efficiency, community connection, and sustainable living, this village creates the perfect foundation for a joyful and fulfilling early retirement. It's proof that downsizing can be a step up toward a richer, more intentional life.